The Premier, Colin Barnett, says Mount Lawley Primary School should be rebuilt for the first term of 2014. Meanwhile, police have stepped up their hunt for the arsonist who sparked the devastating blaze. Michael Tetlow has the latest.
Putting out the last smouldering timbers at the fire-devastated Mount Lawley Primary School. Firefighters today mopping up as family after family filed past.
I just couldn't believe it. Just really upset.
I have a lot of memories in all the buildings behind me, and it's kind of upsetting that they all just disappeared in less than like an hour.
Inspecting the damage, Premier Colin Barnett pledged to rebuild. The aim, to have the school open again for the start of 2014. Engineers are assessing how much of the century-old building can be saved.
A beautiful old school on a local heritage list, and if that facade and character can be preserved, I would certainly support that.
It's more than just a building, it's a community asset.
The hunt is now on for the arsonist, with detectives confirming they found multiple ignition points. They're looking for witnesses and anyone who took photos or video of the blaze on Saturday night. Among the many things destroyed in this fire were some of the contents of a time capsule, buried in 1979 and opened just 3 months ago for the school centenary.
And a lot of artefacts, memorabilia in my office. We're currently writing the centenary book for the school. We're about halfway through it, and so that's gone.
Already, Education Department officials have found 15 demountable classrooms, which could be set up at the nearby high school. A decision will be made within 48 hours.
You don't often find a school where, when your kids are sick, they still want to come to school. And that's just the type of school that Mount Lawley is.
Michael Tetlow, 10 News.